Okay, hello dear friends. So this one is still trigonometry practice, and it's about law of sine and cosine, and we have done some practice. So this video is a conclusion of when to use law of sine, law of cosine. And to start it, I will write nicely and clearly law of sine. Law of sine is the side A over sine of angle A equal to the side B over the sine of angle B equal to the side A in proportion to the sine of angle C. Okay, so for the side, we use minuscule lettering, and for the angle, we use capital lettering. So this one is law of sine. Now, law of cosine. A square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine A. B square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cosine B. C square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cosine C. Okay, so it's a b b c c. It's very symmetrical, and it's just beautiful and elegant. And the law of sine and cosine, I don't know who figured it out. And mathematics is just such an elegant thing. Okay, so we use this piece of paper, the law, as reference. This is our law library, and we see this problem. So the first problem, number 3, we know A and B and C, 3 known. So we can use law of cosine to figure out the angle. There is only side, no angle, so we can figure out the angle, right? And question number 4, we know BC and a side angle. They are not facing each other, another side angle. So which one do we use? BC and angle. So we use law of cosine, right? Because we know all these, we do not know this part, another side, so we can use law of cosine. Question number 5, we know A and B and A. So what do we use? We can use law of sine. We know A, I put it here. We know A, we know one side, we know one opposite angle, and we know another opposite angle, so we can figure out the side. So this is law of sine. Here, B and side B, angle B, side B, and side A. So this one must be law of sine. Why? Because we know B, sine B, and the angle, and then we know another, okay, 6. I use exactly the same numbering system. We know B, angle B, and side B, and know we side A. We know side A, side B, angle B, so we can figure out the angle A. Question number 7, we know angle and its opposite side, so we can use the law of sine, right? And then C over. So A, C, no, unknown is sine C. We can figure out the C. Question number 8, we know B and side B. Okay, this must be the law of sine. So with this, you can just before you put your full energy and attention into figuring out the real number, see the problem, draw it, and then it helps you to visualize this problem and think a clear route. You do not want to spend too much energy and go into the wrong direction. When your route is clear, it is very, very efficient and effective to solve the problem. Okay? And find the area of triangle given ABC. We will do this a little bit later. Okay? Thank you very much.